My next Dean's Honoree is Professor Sarah Campbell. Professor Campbell has been an exceptional faculty member who is also so deserving for this award. Professor Campbell has taught 7 didactic courses and 1 clinical course in the undergraduate and graduate pre-licensure programs, as well as the Doctor of Nursing Practice program. Her teaching scores have been above 4.5. This is due to Dr. Campbell's teaching philosophy of always challenging students to engage in learning, and by her analysis of the way the students think about a solution rather than about the solution itself. Her assignments and examinations require students to apply knowledge in the setting of context rather than simply demonstrating comprehension. The environment is that of one of respect, listening, and understanding with empathy versus shame or blame. Professor Campbell lets the students know that her door is always open and they are welcome to speak with her at any time. She was given the Faculty of the Year Award by the MEPN class of 2020, as they acknowledged. Behind every student who believes in themselves is a teacher who believed in them first. And you were that teacher, Professor Campbell. Congratulations, Professor Campbell.
One of my proudest teaching moments is when I see our family nurse practitioner students translate what they've learned in the classroom to the clinical setting. When you see that light bulb go off and that they start to make those connections between what they've learned from a book and in lecture to what they're seeing in clinic. But I think when I'm really the most proud is when I actually see them take what they've learned in those, general guidelines, but then they look at that patient as an individual and they start to ask what matters most to this patient and what can I do within the guidelines that's actually best for this patient in front of me based on what their priorities are and based on their wishes and what matters most to them. That's when I know that they're not just a clinician, but they're a clinician that cares and they're providing care with compassion and they're doing it with the patient's best interest at heart. And that's when I'm the most proud, because then I know that I've done my job and I've done it well.